Let's look at how to add a discussion forum and the types of discussion forums available in Moodle. To add a forum, make sure editing is turned on. Then scroll to the week or section where you want to add a forum and click Add an Activity or Resource. Then select Forum. Give the forum a name and use the description space to include the prompt as well as details about the forum's purpose, grading criteria, posting expectations, due dates, and any other resources students may need to complete the assignment. If you select Display Description on course page, all of this information will show there. This may not be ideal if the information is lengthy and stretches the course's main page. The next thing you will want to do before posting the forum is selecting the forum type. There are 5 types of forums which serve slightly different purposes. The question mark can be clicked on to open an explanation of the forum types, but I will explain them here with more detail. I will start with the ones that are more common and end with the ones that are more purpose specific. The default forum type is the standard forum for general use, which allows students to post multiple threads in response to a prompt. Their classmates can then post replies to those threads if required. This does keep individual students' threads organized and they can easily see who responded to them, but it does divide the conversation across separate threads. In contrast, the Single Simple Discussion option opens the forum in one thread where the assignment prompt is provided, and all student responses are posted underneath. This could get messy as students reply to one another, but this type of forum is easy to see all posts in one place and generate a more inclusive conversation. The Q&A forum option is useful if you want students to post before they can see their classmates' responses. This ensures students share their own perspective or give their own answers instead of repeating what others have said. This forum type is organized the way the standard forum for general use is organized, so students will post their own threads. The Each Person Posts One discussion forum is also similar to the standard forum for general use. The main difference is that students are limited to posting only one thread, though they can reply to multiple threads. Finally, the standard forum displayed like a blog post format also uses the standard forum for general use structure, though the blog style displays the contents of each thread before clicking on them. Students can still reply to classmates if required. Once you have chosen the type of forum needed, you will scroll down to choose settings for the forum. Availability allows you to set due dates, and whole forum grading is where you will be able to set grades. Under grading method, you can choose grade value or use a rubric if one is attached to Moodle. Next is the grade category, and this is where you are able to categorize the assignment if you use categories in your gradebook. Ratings are another points-based option. This option allows different ways to calculate points, like a sum of points or an average. It also allows you to grade right in the forum. We recommend using sum of ratings if you choose the ratings method. After all settings have been made, select Save and Display and make sure the forum is to your liking. If you need further assistance with discussion forums, please contact the Office of Online and Distance Learning.